Hey, hello and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day. Hope you're doing well. So let's see today's problem, max circular subarism. What the problem is saying is we'll be given an array of integers, okay, in a circular fashion. We want to find out the maximum subarism that we can get if we assume the array to be circular, okay. Okay, so here is an let's see what the problem is trying to say. So here is an example array, okay. Okay, so what the problem is saying is we'll be given an array and we have to find the maximum subarray sum. Okay, the maximum subarray, the maximum sum out of any given subarray. Okay, and the subarray can be circular. So, for example, here, so you know what is the subarray, right? The set of contiguous elements. So, for example, what is subarray? I've already repeated, right? So, this is one subarray we can say, or this is another subarray, the set of contiguous elements. But the elements need to be one after the other. That is contiguous. We cannot say that okay, this 8 and this 9, these are subarray. Okay, these are not. This is not subarray as they are not contiguous. Okay, so and also here the problem saying is we can consider the subarray to be circular. And what does that mean? That is if after 12 we can consider 8. That is the 8 can come after 12. We can consider that. That is in circular fashion. Okay, so we want to find out the maximum sum out of a subarray, and that subarray can be circular. So in this example, if you see the output is 22, right? 22. So how it has occurred? So 12, 8, minus 8, 9, minus 10, 10. So till here we have considered the subarray. So what is the subarray? 12. And if we take the sum out of these elements, 12 plus 8 minus 8 plus 9 minus 9 plus 10. So it comes around what? 22. So this is how this 22 has come. Okay. Okay. So this is the ask. I hope you have got the ask. Now, how can we solve this problem? So we are going to use the cadence algorithm only, but we'll have to do some modification over there. Okay. So let's do some observation here. Okay, let's do some observation. So in this example, I've considered this example only, but here I've just considered an additional element minus 3. Okay. So I'll explain just for demonstration purpose, I've included this element. Okay. So let's quickly see. Let's do some observation. Okay, let's do some observation. Okay. So here, if you know what is output here, okay, it is 22, right? So let's take the total sum of the array elements. Okay, so what it is going to be? So 8 minus 8, it is going to be 0. 9 minus 9, it is going to be 0. 10 minus 3, it is going to be 7. 7 minus, so we have to take the sum, right? Yeah, we have to take the sum. So 7 minus 11 plus 12, right? It comes around 8. It comes around 8. Okay, it comes around 8. So the total sum is 8. Okay. Now, if you deduct this sub array, right? This sub array, if you deduct this sub array, right, from this total sum. So let's deduct that. So minus 3 minus 11, we'll say. Okay, just observe something. Okay. So 8, okay, minus 14, right? Which comes around what? 8 plus 14. 8 plus 14, which is 22. So which is the expected output, right? Which is the expected output. Okay. Now your question will be that why are you deducting, or why you are considering this only, this particular sub array only? Okay. And why you deducting from the total sum? Okay. So here the answer is, so this is the minimum sum. This is the minimum sub array sum. This is the minimum subarray sum. Okay. So this is observation basically. This solution can be solved using observation only. So this is the minimum subarray sum. If you just calculate. So what is the minimum sum? Minimum sum is minus 14. Like the maximum sum here was 22. Similar, the minimum sum is minus 14 if you see. Right? This is the minimum sum coming out of a subarray. So minus 3, minus 11. So you can find out. There won't be any sum. For example, here it is minus 8 or here it is minus 9. There won't be any sum which will be lesser than this. This is the minimum sum. Okay. And hence, we have to solve this problem. What you know, right? What is the formula we want to solve? So total sum minus minimum sum, minimum subarray sum. Okay. Either this will be the formula, or our the general formula, maximum subarray sum. That is which won't be what we can say, which won't be circular in fashion. So here they are only asking that we want to find the maximum subarray sum, and that sum can be and that sum can be out of, for example, 1, 2, minus 3, 1. For example, that sum can be from the normal subarray also. From the normal subarray also. For example, here, right? What is the what is the sum here? 3, right? This will be the maximum. This will be the maximum sum. So this can come out of the normal subarray or the circular subarray which we have seen, right? Or the circular subarray which we have seen. Okay. So this will be max of either this or the normal maximum sub array sum. Okay, so this will be the formula to solve this problem. Okay, I hope you've got the intuition. Okay, I think you'll understand better with the code. Okay, so before going to the code, I'll just request you to please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Okay, so first I'll show the Java code followed by C++. Okay, so it is again the cadence algorithm only. Okay. So what we are going to do here is we are going to take first the two variables max so far and min so far. Okay, min so far is to keep track of the minimum sum till now or so far. And this max so far is maximum sum till now or so far, basically. Okay. And let's quickly say the max sum equal to integer dot min underscore value and min sum equal to integer dot max underscore value. Okay. So we'll just initialize these variables. Okay. Now then what we have, we are going to iterate to the array once add. Okay. And what are we going to do? We also want to calculate the total sum, right? In total sum. Okay. In total sum. So what was the cadence algorithm? Let's quickly implement that first. Okay. Let's quickly implement that first. Max so far, right? Max so far plus equal to num. Okay, plus equal to num. Okay, and what we used to do, that is why I'm just first implementing. I won't completely explain the cadence algorithm because we have already seen that, right? So math.max max sum comma max so far. Okay, this was the cadence algorithm. Okay, the general cadence algorithm. And if max so far went right negative, then we would reset max so far because it won't contribute to if the max so far is negative, it won't contribute or it won't let us give it won't give us the maximum subarray sum. Okay, and that is why we are resetting here. So this was the general cadence algorithm. In addition to that, we like with this we will be able to find the maximum subarray sum, but we want to find the minimum subarray sum as well, right? Minimum subarray sum. So yes, so that's why we are going to add minimum so far plus equal to num, right? Num. And then here also, what we want to do is we want to find minimum sum, right? So minimum equal to math.min will do. Okay. With min sum, comma, min so far. Min so far. Okay. Okay. And also here, if min so far becomes positive, right? In this case, then you want to reset. Reset just like we did for max so far. We want to reset to 0. Only the difference here is if it goes positive, right? Then in that case, if it becomes positive, in that case, we will not be able to find the minimum sum. That is why we are resetting it to 0. Okay. And in addition to this, we want to have the total sum, right? Total sum. It's simple. Total sum is equal to nums. And finally, what we are going to do here is we want to return whatever is the maximum. If it is circular subarray, total. If it is circular subarray, then total sum minus min sum will have to do. Else the normal subarray sum, right? I've already explained this. Let me quickly compile this. Okay, let's submit it. Okay, the test cases are passed. Let's quickly review the time complexity. It is going to be O of n, space complexity is O of 1. Okay, so I hope you have got the solution. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Let's quickly see the C++ code, not much difference. I'll also attach the code in comment section. So here I will explain this min sum. We are initializing with maximum integer. Max sum we are initializing with minimum integer. So I've already explained this. Okay, so I'll attach the code in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Have a happy, healthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.